Hello, my name is Caroline. I'm a product marketing manager at Verkada, and this video will cover the end-to-end process of giving someone access to a door. If you haven't already, we strongly recommend watching the previous video that explains how to configure Verkada access control to give specific users access to certain doors at certain times. This will give you the foundational knowledge you need for this video. Once you're familiar with the terminology and structures, let's run through the entire process with just one person to start, you. This will show you how to assign a credential to users, grant access to doors, and get everything ready for testing once your doors are installed. We'll show you the steps in a specific order, but you can edit any of the access structures in any order you want at any time. Before you begin, you'll need to assign yourself the correct access control roles in Command. In your user profile, click Access Control Roles. For now, assign yourself Access System Admin and Access User Admin. This will automatically also grant you the role of Access Site Admin for any sites you already have in your Command organization. To start, click the Product menu and select Access Control. Then navigate to the Access Users and Groups tab and search for yourself. Click into your profile, then click the Profile tab across the top and scroll down to Credentials. If you already have a credential, like a keycard, that you're planning to use on a future door, go ahead and enter that here. Otherwise, feel free to add a fake credential or just skip this step. For this video, let's assign a fake Verkada EV3 card just by entering a stand-in facility code and card number. Then click back to the Users and Groups tab and click Groups across the top. Click Create Group. Name the group whatever you want. I'll do Admin, and add yourself to the group. Now it's time to create an access level to grant you access to the doors. Click Access across the top, and then Add to Access Levels. Now we'll create a new access level. Name the access level something descriptive, such as HQ Admins 24/7. The group you just created should already be added. Next, choose a site this access level should apply to. If you haven't set up any sites yet, check out the video linked in the description to learn how to do that. If your doors are already installed, you would next select the specific doors you want to grant access to. Since we don't have any doors set up yet, we'll skip this step for now. By default, new access levels allow 24/7 access to doors. You can change that as you see fit, but for now we'll keep it as is. Let's quickly recap where everything is. Credentials can be found by clicking Access Users and Groups, then User List, then User Detail, then Credentials. Groups can be found by clicking Access Users and Groups, then the Groups tab. Access levels can be gotten to either from Access Users and Groups, then clicking into an access level, or from the Access homepage and clicking the Access Levels tab. Note that the Access homepage can either show all sites or a specific site, and will only show the relevant access levels given your selection. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.